It happened. It's all about the most energy efficient, eco-friendly, and products using sustainable materials nowadays. They are the products the market wants. You want proof? Tesla Inc. displaced Toyota Motor Company as the world's most valuable automaker. Tesla has just transformed an industry that's relied on internal combustion engines for more than 130 years. Shares of Tesla, which have nearly tripled since the start of the year, climbed about 25%, giving Tesla a market capitalization rate of $224 billion, surpassing Toyota's $204 billion. The most cost-effective brand bowed to the brand for the environment. Chief Executive Elon Musk has ignored or broken many of the established auto industry rules and norms over the last 10 years. He sold cars online assembled in high-cost California. As his company's value has soared, there remains a gulf in the scale of his company and the world's biggest car manufacturers. Tesla produced 103,000 vehicles in the first quarter. Sounds like a lot? Well, that's only 4% of the almost 2.4 million made by Toyota. Tesla turned over 90,000 cars to customers in the first 3 months that ended in June. That's more than what they delivered in the first quarter while there was no lockdown. Musk overcame a roughly 7-week shutdown of Tesla's California car plant by ramping up output at its new factory near Shanghai. Localizing production in China is helping reach more customers in the world's largest electric vehicle market by lowering prices. Gene Munster, a managing partner at venture capital firm Loop Ventures, said that Tesla is winning because they have a product that is measurably better than both gas and the electric competitors. But hey, let's hold up. Toyota is trying to catch up. After pioneering gas-electric vehicles with the Prius hybrid, Toyota was late to shift fully electric autos and has wagered heavily on hydrogen fuel cells. The company is now making a series of high-profile investments in electric vehicles and self-driving cars. The manufacturer has forecast an 80% plunge in profit of this year and expects it could take until first half of next year before the auto market recovers to pre-pandemic levels. The new position of Tesla and the direction of Toyota should give you an indication as to where the market is going in terms of investments that will offer the best returns. It's all about sustainable development, eco-friendly products. In the core of all these products are metals like silver, platinum, palladium, and gold. These metals are stable and conductors of power. So bet on the future. Bet on metals. If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open and we're happy to answer any of your questions.